Welcome back, makeup enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of stippling brushes, the unsung heroes of flawless makeup application. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, finding the perfect stippling brush can be a game changer for your beauty routine. In this video, we're putting 5 top contenders to the test, so you can find the one that suits your needs best. Say goodbye to streaky foundation and uneven coverage. Let's find your perfect match. At number 1 position, we have Wet n Wild Stipple Brush. First up, we have the Wet n Wild Stipple Brush. Designed with synthetic bristles, this brush boasts a unique dual-fiber design that allows for seamless blending and layering of both liquid and powder products. Key features. The Wet n Wild Stipple Brush features densely packed bristles that pick up just the right amount of product, ensuring precise application without streaks or patches. Its lightweight and ergonomic handle provide comfort and control, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned makeup artists. Benefits and usage. This versatile brush is perfect for achieving an airbrushed finish, whether you're applying foundation, blush, or highlighter. Its domed shape and soft bristles allow for effortless buffing and blending, resulting in a natural-looking complexion with buildable coverage. Usability. The Wet n Wild Stipple Brush is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-lasting performance with proper care. Its compact size makes it travel-friendly, allowing you to achieve flawless makeup on the go. Durability. Crafted with high-quality materials, the Wet n Wild Stipple Brush is built to last through countless applications. Its durable construction ensures minimal shedding, providing consistent results every time you reach for it. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Studio 12 Studio R12 Stipple Brush. Next on our list is the Studio 12 Studio R12 Stipple Brush. Handcrafted with premium synthetic fibers, this brush is specifically designed for achieving a professional finish with cream and liquid products. Key features. The Studio 12 Studio R12 Stipple Brush features a unique duo fiber design with densely packed bristles at the base and soft, feathered tips for seamless blending. Its sturdy wooden handle provides stability and control, allowing for precise application without streaks or smudges. Benefits and usage. This multi-purpose brush is ideal for applying foundation, concealer, and cream blush, effortlessly blending product for a flawless airbrushed effect. Its versatile design allows for both sheer and full coverage, catering to various makeup looks and preferences. Usability. The Studio 12 Studio R12 Stipple Brush is easy to maneuver, making it suitable for both professional makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts alike. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort during prolonged use, while its durable construction ensures longevity with proper care. Durability. Crafted with high-quality materials, the Studio 12 Studio R12 Stipple Brush is built to withstand daily use without compromising performance. Its resilient bristles maintain their shape and integrity, delivering consistent results with each application. The number 3 position is held by e.l.f. Domed Stipple Brush. Moving along, we have the e.l.f. Domed Stipple Brush. Crafted with synthetic bristles, this brush is designed to effortlessly blend and diffuse both liquid and powder formulas for a flawless finish. Key features. The e.l.f. Domed Stipple Brush features a domed shape with densely packed bristles, allowing for precise application and seamless blending. Its tapered design fits perfectly into the contours of the face, ensuring even coverage and a natural-looking complexion. Benefits and usage. This versatile brush is perfect for applying foundation, blush, and bronzer, providing buildable coverage and customizable intensity. Its soft, flexible bristles allow for effortless buffing and blending, minimizing streaks and unevenness. Usability. The e.l.f. Domed Stipple Brush is user-friendly, making it suitable for makeup beginners and experts alike. Its lightweight design and comfortable grip ensure ease of use, while its compact size makes it travel-friendly for on-the-go touch-ups. Durability. Crafted with durable materials, the e.l.f. Domed Stipple Brush is designed to withstand regular use without losing its shape or performance. Its sturdy construction ensures longevity, providing reliable results with each application. Next at number 4, we have Humbrol Hornby Stipple Brush. Now let's take a closer look at the Humbrol Hornby Stipple Brush. Crafted with high-quality synthetic fibers, this brush is engineered for precise application and seamless blending of various makeup products. Key features. The Humbrol Hornby Stipple Brush features a unique stippling technique with densely packed bristles that create a soft focus effect on the skin. Its ergonomic handle provides comfort and control, allowing for effortless application and blending. Benefits and usage. This versatile brush is ideal for applying foundation, concealer, and cream products, providing buildable coverage and customizable intensity. Its tapered shape allows for precise placement and blending, ensuring a natural-looking finish with every use. Usability. The Humbrol Hornby Stipple Brush is easy to use, making it suitable for makeup enthusiasts of all skill levels. Its lightweight design and comfortable grip make application a breeze, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Durability. Crafted with resilient materials, the Humbrol Hornby Stipple Brush is built to withstand regular use without losing its shape or effectiveness. Its sturdy bristles maintain their integrity over time, providing consistent results with each application. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by e.l.f. Girl Pro Stipple Brush. Last but not least, we have the e.l.f. Girl Pro Stipple Brush. Crafted with premium synthetic fibers, this brush is designed to deliver professional quality results with cream and liquid makeup products. Key features. The e.l.f. Girl Pro Stipple Brush features a duo fiber design with densely packed bristles at the base and soft feathered tips for seamless blending. Its tapered shape allows for precise application and blending, ensuring a flawless finish with every use. Benefits and usage. This versatile brush is perfect for applying foundation, concealer, and cream blush, providing buildable coverage and customizable intensity. Its soft, flexible bristles allow for effortless blending, minimizing streaks and unevenness for a natural-looking complexion. Usability. The e.l.f. Girl Pro Stipple Brush is user-friendly, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced makeup artists. Its lightweight design and comfortable grip ensure ease of use, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Durability. Crafted with high-quality materials, the e.l.f. Girl Pro Stipple Brush is built to withstand daily use without compromising performance. Its resilient bristles maintain their shape and integrity over time, providing consistent results with each application. And there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive review of the 5 best stippling brushes on the market. Whether you're looking for seamless blending, precise application, or long-lasting durability, there's a stippling brush out there to suit your needs. We hope this guide has helped you narrow down your options and find the perfect brush for your makeup routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous!